Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into something really cool, a Chrome extension called the Copy Style Picture Style Copy Tool.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, you see a style you like on almost any web page, click, and boom, you can generate a new image using that exact look.
Yeah, it's pretty powerful stuff. It uses Gemini AI to figure out the style.
Right, the analysis part.
Exactly. And then Qwen Image to actually, generate the new picture super fast.
It really feels like a shortcut, doesn't it, to using these advanced AI tools in your, creative flow.
Absolutely. It's a big step for creative freedom, I think.
Yeah.
And efficiency, too. Anyone wanting to grab a visual style quickly.
For, personal projects or even professional design work.
For sure. It gets past just copying pixels. It's really about understanding and recreating the feel, the style. That's what makes it interesting.
You got it. So, our mission today is simple. We'll walk you through getting this tool installed, set up, and actually using it. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, first things first. How do we actually get our hands on this extension? What are the options?
So, there are two main ways. First one's pretty easy. Just download a ZIP file.
Okay.
You go to the GitHub project page. We'll link that for you, of course. Find the code button, click it, then hit download ZIP.
Simple enough. Download, unzip.
And you're basically ready for the next stage. The second way, if you're more comfortable with the command line.
For the Git users out there.
Right. You can just grab a Git command from that same GitHub page, copy it, paste it into your Git terminal.
And run it. What's the command look like?
It's git clone, followed by the repository URL, and then you'd see into the directory it creates. We'll put the exact command in the notes so you don't have to guess.
Perfect. So either download the ZIP or use Git.
Got it. Now the interesting part, we have the files. How do we actually plug this into Chrome?
Yeah, this bit's key, but still quite straightforward. You need to open your Chrome extensions page.
Right. Chrome.extensions in the address bar usually does it.
Exactly. Or through the Chrome menu. Once you're there, you need to flick on developer mode. There's a toggle switch, usually top right. Ah, okay. That lets you load stuff not from the official store.
Precisely. Once developer mode is on, you'll see a button like Load Unpacked. Click that.
And then point it to the folder we just downloaded and unzipped.
You got it. Select that folder, and if it works, you'll see a new little box, a tile, pop up on the extensions page labeled Copy Style.
Okay, installed and loaded.
Yeah.
But the real magic is usually in the settings, right?
Yeah.
What do we need to configure on the options page to make it work?
Absolutely right. So find the extension icon in your toolbar, right-click it, and choose Options.
Okay.
The most important things here are the API keys. You absolutely need a Gemini API key.
For the style analysis.
Yep. And you also need a Run and Pod API key. That one's for the Qwen image generation part.
And people can apply for these. We'll link that.
We'll definitely put links in the show notes for where to get those keys. It's crucial.
What else is on that page? Any other settings?
There are a few useful extras. You can set a prompt prefix if you want something added to every prompt automatically. And you can choose the image resolution. There are 4 options there.
Okay.
And for the more advanced users, there's LoRa model support.
Ah, LoRa. Low rank adaptation, right, for
Yeah.
fine-tuning styles.
Exactly. You can add paths to up to 4 Qwen image LoRa models and even set their weight. So if you've trained your own,
You can use them directly. How does that work?
yeah, you can upload your LoRa models to Hugging Face, set them to public, and then just paste the path in here. It's pretty neat.
Wow. Okay. Very flexible. And then just save settings.
Save settings, and you are good to go. All configured.
Fantastic. So imagine this.
Yeah.
Everything's set up. Where can you actually use this style copying thing? Does it work everywhere?
It works in a lot of places. Think Facebook, x.com, Threads, most regular websites, really. The main limitation is if a site actively blocks you from right-clicking or downloading images.
Okay, but on most sites, it's fair game. How do you actually trigger it?
Super simple. You just find an image you like, say, one of those popular hand figurines, or maybe a cool yoga pose picture, or even like an elegant dress photo.
Right.
You just right-click directly on the image itself.
Yeah.
And in that context menu that pops up, you'll see an option, Copy Style. Just click that.
That's it.
That's pretty much it. The system will usually show some little notification telling you it's working, like generating or something similar.
And the results, do they really capture the style?
They really do, surprisingly well. It does a great job of grabbing the overall aesthetic, the colors, the feel. It's especially useful, like I mentioned, if you have your own Qwen image LoRa models trained.
Ah, because you can instantly see your custom style applied based on a reference image.
Exactly. It turns inspiration into a generated image almost immediately.
Okay, that sounds incredibly powerful. And you mentioned README is fast, but that speed usually comes at a cost, right? What are the practical things to know, like budget-wise?
Yeah, good question. The Run-and-Pod API for QuenImage is very fast. You barely wait. But yeah, it's not free.
How much are we talking, roughly?
So right now, a standard 124 by 124 pixel image costs around 2 cents, $0 and 2 USD.
2 cents an image. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad individually.
No, but it adds up depending on how much you use it, obviously. Just to give you an idea, if you put, say, $10 into your Row&Pod account,
Okay.
that would get you roughly 500 images at that 124 by 124 size. Or if you go for a slightly larger size, like 124 by 1236, maybe around 300 images.
Right. So you just need to be mindful of your usage and budget accordingly.
Exactly. Just something to keep in mind as you start generating.
Well, this picture style copy tool certainly sounds like a really potent addition to the creative toolkit. Super convenient.
It really is. And I think it makes you think, doesn't it, about how these AI tools are making really advanced creative stuff accessible to almost anyone.
Yeah, democratizing it in a way.
Precisely. Things that used to take ages or specialized software. Now it's a right click away. So
Yeah.
invitation really is for you listening to try it out. Experiment, see what styles you can capture, maybe play with those L'Oreal models if you're feeling adventurous.
Make the deep dive your own, basically.
Absolutely. See what you can create. The possibilities are pretty vast.